Hello cherubs, I discovered a really brilliant YouTube channel a couple of weeks ago called the Cool Dudes Walking Club, run by a cool dude called Marek Larwood. So after I binged all of the Cool Dudes Walking Club videos, I thought I'd best become an official Cool Dudes Walking Club member. It cost £5, which I sent through via PayPal, and I've just received the parcel. This is the unboxing, unwrapping ceremony, if you will. Firstly, Cool Dudes Walking Club membership card. Dude Kit Bradshaw, member number 114, the official dude approval from Marek himself. Secondly, Cool Dudes Walking Club badge. I might put that on my hat actually. I've got a lovely note as well, but of course, most importantly, and this is going to be very useful actually for finding my way around the British Isles, I've got a hand-drawn map of Britain as well, with special emphasis on the Isle of Wight down the bottom there. But that's going to be most useful. I'm going to throw away all my A to Z's because that's going to replace all my A to Z's. Also, a postcard, I think that is, if my memory serves me correctly, from my childhood visits to the Isle of Wight. I'd say that's Bembridge Lifeboat Station of the Isle of Wight, otherwise known as the Mysterious Isle on this postcard. And finally, a very useful Cool Dudes Walking Club notepad. This book belongs to, there we go, put that in. There's all the Cool Dudes Walking Club information on the back. Stay cool on the back. I'm genuinely very excited about this, and I expect all 94 of you fiercely loyal subscribers of mine to have a look at the Cool Dudes Walking Club and Marek's other channels too. Oh yeah. And now I'm going to go and eat my sandwiches. Bye cherubs.